Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So our menu for today is all about Filipino Indian chicken curry fusion. Our ingredients are coconut milk, turmeric powder, curry powder, ground garlic powder, table salt, chicken bouillon, black pepper, mustard seeds, garam masala powder, which you can buy in the Indian store, cut up or sliced potatoes, red chili pepper, that's optional, fresh cut up garlic, fresh ginger, red bell pepper, and I also add in some fresh or dried curry leaves. I also add in some carrots and onions. So now we are heating our pan to medium heat. I use extra virgin olive oil. Then I'm adding in cut up strips of ginger first and saute it. Then I'm adding in garlic and continue sauteing it until it becomes golden brown. I'm adding in some chili pepper. Again, this is optional. Then I add in the garam masala. Some turmeric powder. Curry powder.
Call from +1 908 603 1296.
Mustard seeds. I added in some more oil and saute it. Then I'm adding in onions. You can use white or that purple onion. Add some more extra virgin olive oil and continue sauteing it until the onion becomes soft. So once all the spices and the ingredients are sauteed or heated up, you'll be adding in the chicken, cut up chicken. So for me, I use the chicken wings or small chicken legs and simmer it and mix it together with the spices.
You're recording? Hopefully you're gonna overdub that.
Yes, I do.
So usually Filipino style of cooking curry, they don't add in the mustard seeds, but in an Indian cuisine, mustard seeds is a must for curries. So I'm adding that in as well. You see that small black bits and pieces of mustard that softens up as you heat it up. In here I'm adding in chicken powder. That's again optional. You can also add in patis or the fish sauce, which is a must for Filipino dishes. So that's also optional for you. So I also cook it in Salad Master because Salad Master, you don't really add in too much salt in it, and the taste is very good once you cook it in Salad Master. In here I'm adding in fish sauce. So that's why it's called Filipino and Indian fusion. So let it simmer. You can also add in a little bit of water. And then lastly, I'm also adding in some coconut milk. And let it simmer again. Usually this takes around 30 minutes to cook. By that time the chicken is also soft already. Mix it and let it simmer. So in between cooking, you can also taste it. Taste the broth. Make sure it's not too salty or too spicy. So it's all up to you how you want to taste your curry. Towards the end, I add in the vegetables, whatever vegetables you want to add in, like the carrots and the potatoes, to soften it. I'm also adding in curry leaves to make it more authentic Indian cuisine. Again, the curry leaves, you can buy it in Indian store near you. You can buy it fresh. So for me, I have to put it in the freezer for the meantime until I'm ready to use it. As you can see, the curry chicken is very, very colorful. As you add in the vegetables, potatoes, and all those stuff. For me, I love using pepper, the black pepper. I add in towards the end of my cooking. Once the potatoes and the carrots are softened, the last thing you're gonna add in is the bell peppers. Make it more colorful. You can add in the red and the green bell pepper. So for me, my style, I don't usually cook the bell peppers thoroughly. I make it like crispy, make it fresh. So this is the finished product of my Filipino Indian curry fusion. It looks so yummy. And again, this is a favorite of my family. They love to eat this. And it's a crowd favorite as well. So I want you to try it and see how you like it.